What happens when your next coworker isn't a person, but an algorithm? I'm Allison Dunn, CEO and business coach. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to lead through 2025's biggest workplace disruption without losing your team or your competitive edge. This isn't theory. Companies like Klarna are already hiring AI agents for jobs that used to require humans: customer service, copywriting, design, data analysis, even operational planning. The AI employment revolution is here, and leaders who adapt fast will dominate their markets while others struggle to keep up. Here's what separates winning leaders from the rest. First, let's decode what's actually happening behind closed doors. Traditional employment models are getting completely flipped upside down. Forward-thinking companies are building hybrid teams, freelance specialists, plus AI agents working in perfect coordination. These AI tools work 24/7, never call in sick, execute tasks flawlessly, and scale instantly. But here's the insider secret most CEOs won't admit publicly. They're not primarily saving money on labor costs. They're buying something far more valuable: time and operational speed. The real question every board is asking is whether they're building sustainable, profitable businesses or just chasing the latest technological trend. If you followed my leadership work, you know I'm obsessed with moving from time leverage to thinking leverage. This AI employment shift is the ultimate test of that philosophy. AI excels at task execution and process optimization, but humans still completely own strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and complex decision-making under pressure. That's your unshakable competitive advantage. Here are 3 critical actions every leader must implement this quarter to stay ahead. Action 1. Audit your workflows. Schedule a dedicated 90-minute team session this week. List every single recurring task your team handles monthly. Then systematically ask, could AI handle this specific task better, faster, or more consistently than humans? You'll discover automation goldmines hiding in plain sight throughout your business. Start small and test everything. Use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to pilot one low-risk workflow like client follow-ups, meeting summaries, or content drafts. Run controlled tests for exactly 2 weeks. Measure quantifiable results, then aggressively scale what actually works. Trust, but verify every single output. Action 2. Double down on uniquely human skills. Here's what AI fundamentally cannot replicate no matter how advanced it becomes: authentic company culture, genuine emotional intelligence, visionary strategic thinking, and relationship building that creates lasting business value. These human capabilities become your team's ultimate superpowers in an increasingly AI-driven marketplace. Launch monthly thinking labs starting next month. Exactly 1 hour. No devices allowed. Pure, strategic brainstorming focused on breakthrough innovations. Teams that think creatively together consistently create market-disrupting solutions that no algorithm can generate or predict. This single practice separates true market leaders from followers. Action 3. Create your AI transparency policy. Build unshakable trust by being completely upfront about where, when, and how you leverage AI with your customers and top-tier employees. Suggest adding your AI policy to all job postings and recruitment materials. For example, we use AI strategically to amplify our team's capabilities, never to replace human judgment and creativity. This simple, honest statement attracts exceptional talent while positioning you as a genuinely forward-thinking employer in your industry. Here's the reality check every leader needs to hear. AI isn't systematically eliminating jobs across the economy. It's fundamentally transforming how all work gets accomplished and who controls that transformation. Leaders still clinging to outdated 2015 playbooks and traditional hiring models will get completely steamrolled by more adaptive competitors who embrace change faster and more strategically. But visionary leaders who embrace AI tools strategically while simultaneously investing heavily in human creativity, relationship building, and strategic thinking will capture disproportionate market share over the next 3 years. The choice facing every leader is brutally simple: evolve intelligently or get left behind permanently. Your competitive advantage isn't AI itself. It's how thoughtfully you integrate AI while amplifying what makes your human team irreplaceable. Here's what I know. In businesses where AI handles the doing, exceptional human leaders who master the thinking will own their industries. Keep leading boldly and thinking strategically.